Let's go for a, let's see, Cowboys versus Indians. Give us something versus something in that vein. So instead of Cowboys versus Indians, you've got
Pirates versus Ninjas.
Pirates versus Ninjas. Like we haven't seen that before, but okay. Pirates versus Ninjas.
Who is deadliest?
Who is deadliest? Well, let's find out. An idea just struck my head. Hang on a second. You're a ninja! I can see you now. You're a ninja!
That was my special speaking before eating.
You're skilled, sir, but can your ninja skills match my cutlass? My other cutlass too? And this other one?
Where's that one come from?
Use your imagination.
Have you seen these? I meant, have you seen these? That's what I meant. My ninja stars.
Shuriken. Well, shall we fight? This is obviously what's supposed to happen.
Obviously.
Yes.
Slow motion?
Very slow motion. That hurts! I have to pull this out of my head. I have to go harder. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is there nothing better we can do but fight? Can we not just simply make peace between our two peoples of pirates and ninjas?
No.
I heard from somewhere that no.
Sorry, that was my gun. I don't carry that. It doesn't work very well, this gun.
The gun goes off a lot.
Oh, like this? Bang! Double tap. Bang, bang! Shing!
I haven't shown you one thing that all pirates fear.
I fear nothing. I fear
Until now.
I desire only gold, like this box full of gold.
Well, here it is.
Full of slinkies, too. You're trying to